It's safe to say that a staple in Italian cuisine is pasta. In America, spaghetti, penne are the caveats for rich, delicious sauces. But when you actually spend time in Italy, you realize most regions have their own pasta shapes. Pesto isn't the same on penne as it is on trofie, but did you know this staple is incredibly simple to make? Let me show you how you can whip up some fresh pasta in less than a half an hour. Trust me, it's so easy.
Make a big hole in the middle. Broken your egg inside. Take your fork, take a little bit of flour and mix with your egg. Now, see, the egg can't escape, so I keep going to mix with the fork, and at the same time with the other hand, I put all the flour that I have around in the middle.
The worst part is you have to eat it.
Oh, we're gonna eat it. Ready for it. I hope it's good. You have your pasta dough. Now, put it in an airtight plastic bag and leave it for anywhere from 40 minutes to a few days. Now it's ready to roll. Never roll backwards, always forward.
Start by the beginning and never make the middle of the foglia. Okay, you start and you cut.
It's time to cut the pasta.
It's a kind of macaroni. Okay, it's a tagliatella. Knife, okay. You take the size, you can cut pappardelle,
Ah, sì.
tagliatelle. Prende scendere, quello che volete.
Okay.
Anche più di uno.
Farfalle. I ended up making farfalle.
Press onions on top. Okay.
So I am cooking my pasta at home for lunch. I would have made it for Michele, but it's just a single portion, so that would have been awkward. The other thing is I don't know how long I'm supposed to cook this for, so I hope it turns out well. Here it is. All right, let's taste it. That's really good. I was worried that it would be eggy, but it's not at all. This is actually a pretty good portion. I would say, yeah, it could be enough for two, but Michele's not home for lunch, so too bad. I might save a little bit for him. Maybe next time I will do a sauce recipe video. I used, a Barilla ragu sauce on this, but yeah, I'm open to pasta recipes. Let me know if you try this at home, what shape you end up making. My farfalle got a little bit crushed, but it's still damn good. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Want to follow me around the world? Check out my website, And a Perfect World, and be sure to subscribe.